They print money with ads. It's a very lucrative business. But 20 years from now, your grandkids won't be using Facebook.
Well, did you see there? So Facebook had that anyone who sells any type of goods on Facebook pays a 46% fee in their metaverse. Did you see that ad that came out? Or that
Nah,
article that came out?
no. I mean,
Wild, like madness.
madness. Yeah, they're not going to win. They're trying to take what worked to build Facebook into the metaverse, and it won't work. The technology, the era, their reputation, it won't let it happen. It's not going to go out of business tomorrow. It's not like they won't make money for years to come. But I could seriously see them not being in business in 20 or 30 years. They'll be broken up. They'll be like AT&T.
Okay.
I think AT&T is a great example, right? They still exist, but they're nothing like they used to be. Right? They're more of a dividend stock than a growth stock.